All right, now I'm going to go over how to add extensions systematically to your campaign. So right here is the add template for the extensions. So just have a tab here, just name it extensions. This will make it much easier for you to put add group level site extensions, which is very, very helpful to change the copy and put our keywords in the site link extensions as well. So you just go here and just copy this, paste, and then you can see here it's at the ad group level. You're gonna put your ad group names in here. So you can just grab a few for an example. And the name or the type is to the left here, and these are just for site links. Location, it might be slightly different, but essentially you just paste this down. And then do it at the ad group level. And the text can literally be the keyword code kids. Description can be um, a headline description. So for code kids, for the RSA, let's say, grab one of these headlines and say, computer coding for kids. And that will just be the site link description. And you put a period, and that's how you do that there. You add the link to the landing page or to a different part of the site. Most likely it should be the landing page, but we just want people to click through on different areas that just like stand out to them on the site links. And that's you do site link, and it's pretty much the same format for call extensions. You could just follow this and just fill out each headline here. And we can use this format similar to the ads, keywords, and campaigns to bulk upload this into Google Ads Editor because it's much faster than working with the Google Ads UI.